In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import contacts and accounts in Freshsales full guide. To begin, look at the left sidebar in Freshsales and click the Contacts tab. This takes you to the Contacts List view, where you can manage and add records in bulk. In the List View area, click the Import Contacts button. This is the main tool for bringing in data from a spreadsheet, which is helpful when you are migrating from another system or organizing contacts outside the CRM. Next, choose the file format you are importing. Select either CSV or Excel, depending on how your file is saved. Before you upload, it helps to confirm your spreadsheet has clear column headers, like name, company, phone, or email, because Freshsales uses those headers during mapping. Now choose what you want to import. You can import just contacts, or you can import contacts and accounts together. Select Contacts and Accounts if your file includes company or account information and you want Freshsales to create or link both record types during the import. Upload your file by browsing your device, or simply drag and drop the file into the upload area. After the file is uploaded, you will move to column mapping. This is where you match each column from your file to the correct Freshsales field. For example, map your file column labeled email to the Freshsales field labeled email. Take your time here because correct mapping ensures the data lands in the right place. After mapping, choose your import type. You can create new contacts to add everything as new records, update only existing contacts to change records that are already in the CRM, or create new and update existing to do both at the same time. This choice depends on whether your file includes new people, existing people, or a mix. Next, set how duplicates should be handled for matching records. Decide whether to skip duplicates, overwrite existing data, or update without overwrite, which can help preserve existing fields while still filling in blanks. Then assign an owner. You can assign all imported contacts to one specific user, or map a column in your file to the sales owner field so ownership is set automatically per record. If you use marketing emails, you can also choose the marketing list option to subscribe contacts, but only if they have provided consent. Finally, click Import Now. Freshsales will process the file, and you will receive an email summary when the import is complete. And that covers everything you need to know.